So here is the question. The question is saying the diagram below shows or represents electrons X arranged of a particular atom. So study the diagram and answer the questions that follow. So this is the diagram that you have been given here. Okay, so let's try to check the electronic configuration. This is how you answer. You check the first shell here. So the first shell, this first shell, it has got how many electrons? You say 2. Point. The second shell, okay, this second shell, the second shell, this one, it has got how many electrons? You count 1, 2, okay, 2, 4, 6, 8. So it has got 8 electrons. And the last shell, it has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has got 6 electrons like this. Okay, so the outermost shell, this one, it tells you the group number in the periodic table. So if the outermost shell is 1, meaning that element is found in group 1. If the outermost shell is 2, meaning the element is found in group 2. If the outermost shell electrons, they are 6, meaning this element is found in group 6. So this element is found in group 6. Why? Because it has got 6 electrons in the outermost shell. And the electrons in the outermost shell, they determine the group number. So here's the question now. The relative atomic mass, they're saying mass. So be careful where they're saying that the relative atomic mass. So the mass, they are saying that it is 32. So if this is an element, they're saying the mass of it, the number on top is the mass. The number down, it is the proton. Okay. So the mass is 32. How do you get the protons? The protons is by adding these electrons. So you add 2 plus 8, you have 10, plus 6, you have 16. So down here it has 16, up it has 32. The first question is saying, what is the nucleon number? So we said that the other name of a mass number is the nucleon number. An element is like this. There's a number up here and the number down. The number up, it is called the mass number or nucleon number. The number down is called atomic number or proton number. So what is the nucleon number here? The number on top is the nucleon number. So the mass number is also called the nucleon number. So meaning here the answer is 32. What is the neutron number? So you see the difference? There's nucleon and neutron. So an element is like this, the number on top and the number down. This one is called the mass number or nucleon number. This is the proton number. So to get the neutron number, you say mass number is equals to proton number plus neutron number. So the mass number is the number on top of this one. So what do you have? You have 32 is equals to, this is a proton number, which is Z, the number that is down. So it is what? 16 plus the neutron number. So don't get confused, the nucleon and the neutron. So it will be 32 minus 16, 32 minus 16 to get the neutron number. So our N will be equals to 16. So the neutron number here will be what? It will be 16 like this. You say 16. B. In which group of the periodic table is the element found? So like I've said, how do you know the group number, where it belongs? You check the outermost shell. So the outermost shell determines the group number. So if the outermost shell electrons, there are 6, meaning it is in group 6. So you say, explain your answer. You say this element is in group 6 because it has got 6 electrons in the outermost shell. Because electrons in the outermost shell, they determine the group number. This is how you must do it. Okay.